It is day 6 of
Learning indicator in Quotax. This video we learned and know best use of zigzag and fractal indicator. Go a market that like you. Now go to indicator option and select zigzag indicator, but don't change settings. Zigzag indicator showing up trend and downtrend market. See that. Now select fractal indicator. Fractals show that. Market gone where? Zigzag and fractal indicator combo is another best combo, finding market trend. Hope you understand how to use that.
ऐसा है तो तेरे खातिर हम भी रो सकते हैं मेरे खातिर मेरे रोने पर अब तुम बस हंसे ना एक बार
Thanks for watching.